Good morning guys, welcome back to the lid shop. So the last video about the Aristos, we were just filming and hanging out during the photo shoot of those Aristos. But today we're back in the lid shop and we're gonna work on the Golf 2. We're gonna do some grinding, we're maybe even gonna do some welding. I don't know, but it would be cool if we can weld already today. I have been sitting home with a knee injury that I already had a long time ago. It didn't bother me anymore, but now it came back and that was a kind of a bummer. I've been sitting all week and yesterday afternoon I could finally walk without pain. So I'm gonna try to do as much as I can today without having pain, otherwise I need to sit down again. But it will be fine. So let's get today started. So as usual we need to move my car because otherwise we cannot work on the Golf. But my brother was detailing a car over there. That can go outside right now. So we wait with the Nissan, we put that outside and then we put the Nissan there and you get the idea. Alright, the car is down. We've got some space to work with. And now I'm gonna cut out the old thresholds. But first I need to see where the new ones begin, where I need to cut. So I cut at the right place and don't cut too much or too less. But you get the idea. I just need to measure where I need to cut and then I'm gonna cut out the old piece and hopefully weld in the new piece and maybe even do two sides today. So we will see what I get done. Thijn is also coming because he is gonna change the fans of his radiator that are rattling right now. So he got some new ones and he also wants to change his headlights because they're always foggy. And I almost got him a goldfish to put in there, but well, all jokes aside, he's gonna change that today and I'm gonna work on the Golf. So I'm gonna hit you guys with a nice time lapse. So now it's time to start cutting. Look who just arrived.
Hello guys.
Hello. I made the first cuts and I've started drilling the spot welds and Thijn just arrived. I got a little present for you. Again? Do you remember the JDM weekend at Leon's place that you couldn't sleep because the little cabin didn't have drapes and you were scared you would wake up by the sun?
Yeah.
What did you have on your face then?
My princess.
Your little princess mask?
Yeah.
I got you your own. Your little flowery princess mask.
Thanks. Thanks.
So the next time we're at Leon, he doesn't need to worry about the sun waking him up.
No. I feel like a princess already. So.
And the day hasn't even started yet. So yeah, it's a good start. Yeah. He's gonna, well, do his thing and I'm just gonna keep on drilling for an hour. And then maybe I can take off the threshold and maybe he's already done with all the stuff that he wants to do. So time lapse number 2 is gonna start right now. So while Thijn removed his front bumper and headlights to install the new headlights, I removed the old threshold and it's even crustier and worse than I thought. It's really bad and I didn't feel like drilling out the spot welds under here because I couldn't reach it, so I just cut it away and now I can reach the spot welds to take them off. But yeah, that's how you uninstall a threshold on a Golf 2. Anthony, are you comfortable?
Yes.
You look like it. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. So, I've cut out a lot of pieces over here that were rusted out. So all the rusted pieces are gone. And I can make some new braces from here to the bottom. And the threshold actually fits quite nice. So, that's a good start. As you can see, it's really not that bad. It's hard with one hand, but it's really not that bad. Fits quite nice. So yeah, Oh, this one doesn't work. Did you forget to plug it in? Yes.
Yes.
It works. One new headlight. So we're just gonna hang out a little bit more and then I'm gonna weld this tomorrow and maybe even the other side. And Anthony is also here tomorrow to weld on the rings for his harnesses, so that his bucket seat install is finally really complete and we can put in the harnesses. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're back. Good morning, it's a Sunday and Anthony is here to do his harnesses and the bucket seat adjustment thingy. And I'm gonna work on the Golf too, so I'm gonna dive right into it and grind away all the metal that needs to be gone before we can weld on the new threshold. Alright, little update. I've taken out the pieces that need to be replaced and everything is clean so I can weld to it. And Anthony over here has taken out his rear seat and everything that belongs to the rear seat, and he's already taken out one bucket. Now the other bucket needs to come out and then we can weld the rings onto it. Are you excited for your harnesses?
No, of course not.
Oh. Are you afraid they don't really pop because you are yellow too? Yeah, it's that kind of day. It's just Sunday, a little bit of working, a little bit of chilling. So now I'm gonna start with mocking up the new threshold and he is gonna take out like 500 things before we can really put in the harnesses. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna show him and you guys how you need to do the harnesses. Normally there is a hook on the end and you can maybe thread the ring in or weld the ring on, but if you have a bar like this, you can just mount it to the bar, you can wrap it around, and that's what I'm gonna show you because, well, this is what I do at my day job, so I kind of know how it works by now. And if I don't, I look like an idiot. And it's fun for Anthony, so it's fun for everybody. Well, you just no, we didn't need to take this one off. See, I already look like an idiot. I want to do it too fast and it goes wrong. So we can look at the chair. The label on the harness needs to be around the hole, but you can fine tune that when the person is in the seat. The passenger seat, you always want to do it a little bit too big so that you can always adjust and everybody's gonna fit. And your driver's seat, you just want to make that to your size so that it fits perfectly around you. But the passenger seat you can just leave a little loose so everybody fits in it because, well, I'm way bigger than Anthony and I want to fit in it too. So come back and I'll show you. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, you have the little thingy-madingy over here. You're gonna put it underneath. Then you're gonna make the way back. So first one over, second one under, and then when it's through you can make sure that it's still at the good spot on the chair, and then if it is, you can tighten it like this. Just make sure that the iron thingy-madingy is near the bar so it's always a nice tight wrap and it's not just flopping around like this. So we need this, right? Alright, so we can make the back part shorter so it's already snug on here. Then we can tighten it down like this. Make sure it's really tight. So this is what most people do. But you are left with this little thing, and if you have a really bad accident, it can still just go loose and you're gonna fly out the window. That's not what you want. So when you have it like this, we're gonna go back one more time to lock it all in, but we're not gonna go through the first slot, we're only gonna go through the back slot. So you tilt it a little bit and it's gonna be tight, but I really advise you do this so that you are really safe and it doesn't hurt to do it one more time. So you can already see I can't even pull it back anymore. It's really tight, so you have to tilt it, pull it back, and then your harness is in really safe. Alright, look, they fit. It's really nice. I'm really happy because they fit quite nicely. I can just spot weld it on the top and I'm gonna stitch weld it over here. And as you can see, it sits a little bit far in, but I can just pull it out and then weld it. It's not the proper way to stress the metal when welding, but well, yeah, these are 25 bucks a piece, so I didn't really expect them to fit perfectly. But it's quite good fit, and I'm gonna leave the metal under here to weld it on the line, and then I can grind it flat so it fits nicely. Alright, little update. So I made the reinforcement piece over here. I tack welded it in so I can weld it all the way around right now. I just need to make this one, and then the inside of the threshold is complete. What you just saw is how far I got today, and we're gonna leave now because the Volvo is ready, the harnesses are in, the seats are back in. So we're gonna make some flyby shots and a little montage. I hope you enjoy. This guy can drive, man. Holy shit. I thought I just put on my normal seat belt because I need to get out for some other shots, and he goes totally crazy. But damn, he can drive. The struggles of making cool shots. You need to run very far, and he needs to drive backwards. But the shots look good, so it's worth it. So that's the harness install. Anthony is really excited for his harnesses and his bucket seats. And as you can see, he can drive really fast. Can't you?
I don't. Thank you.
Yeah, he can. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like and make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Anthony, send it! There's a wild goose! Hey, Mr. Goose! Weirdo.